Welcome to Instapage. Today we'll show you how to automate your page launches with the scheduling feature. Once you're ready, choose your page, click on Publishing Page, choose the custom domain method, and add your subdomain and domain and any optional directory. Click on Continue. Here you can pick between immediately or schedule a future publish date and time down to the minute in your time zone. The same thing can be applied for unpublishing, which makes it perfect for campaign launches or promo expirations. Make sure your publish date is before your unpublished date, otherwise Instapage will alert you with this message. Once you chose your specific publishing and unpublishing date, click on Continue. Then we're going to click on Confirm and Publish. Schedule pages show a green clock icon in your dashboard, so you always know what's queued. Need to cancel your scheduling? You can click on the page, go under the scheduling option and choose when I publish and when I unpublish, and then click Save. And that's scheduling. Set it up once and Instapage handles the rest, so you can focus on what matters. Need any help? Visit our help center or contact support. Thanks for watching.